Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Tuesday market webcast. Okay, daily chart, you can see we're hanging around up above the 9-day. We're consolidating up here, right around the 39, 40 to 39.60 area, pretty wide range. Bulls had trouble getting through 62 to 64 all night. On the hourly, you can see we're kind of consolidating up here. We're consolidating in a wide range, but neither the Bulls nor the Bears are finishing moves to break out of the range. So we haven't touched weekly pivot. We haven't gone up and seen the all-time highs. We did 71.25 yesterday. So, we're inside 10 handles, and I still think new highs need a look. If they're going to come this close and the Bears are not going to really forcefully knock things down, unless that happens, then that 78 is going to get magnetized to price and we're going to print it. What do the Bears need to do? They do the same stuff that we talked about yesterday. They got to convert. Weekly pivot down here. They need to start living below 39.25. So, like I said, 62 to 66. Couldn't get it done. They started pushing down just after 6 a.m. and now we're 43. It's a 20-handle move. You've got volume weighted average price at 56, hourly mid-band at 58, proprietary moving average is at 53, and for the last 20 minutes or so, the 5-minute mid-band has really held things in nicely. So I had a short out against 64 last night. I got whipped out overnight, so I am flat. I'll be flat into the open. We had a solid beginning to the week. Yesterday in the room, we got today, tomorrow, and Thursday, and then Friday. Friday's one of my favorite quirky trading days, and we'll talk about it on Friday. You got the jobs report at 8:30, and Globex closes. The market closes at 9:15. So it's basically, theoretically, it's 45 minutes of all, and then you're done. So it's kind of fun. So as we set up for that, anytime there's a short week, I like to get a good head start on the handles for the week, and we were able to do that yesterday, more than 30. So I'm going to keep doing what I'm doing, which is playing these edges against themselves, looking for a breakout or a breakdown, but I'm not letting the first 2/3 of my trades just kind of wander around. We're applying our discipline, 6 handles and 10 handles on the first 2/3, and then, one of these runners is going to run, but if they don't, we take them for what they need to be taken for, and then, we're either looking to the other side or we're going to let consolidation work out. My point is you got to still take your profits where you find them. And maybe today's the day we get the big move, but it's not going to be that big of a move at every time the Bears come down. And the dynamic that people have to wrap around their heads is, and we talked about this yesterday in detail, if every time the Bears move the market to the downside, that at the drop of a hat they can be squeezed 5, 10, 15, 20 handles, the ultimate dynamic of us grinding higher is not going to change. We saw more of this yesterday. How many potential down moves were simply bought? Here, until this candle, these are hourly candles, into this, until that's ready to roll over, and maybe this is ready to roll over, I don't know. But until that dynamic changes, you're going to continue to get consolidation, and it's going to be consolidation, just like you make a marginal higher high here, it's going to be consolidation in an upward track. So, look, this is the best chance the Bears have had to kind of fall out of bed here on these tight hourly Bollinger Bands. All right, that's all I got. Everybody have a fantastic day. Be safe, be healthy, take care, trade them well. Come check out the room. Come trade this stuff with us. And I will catch everybody on here tomorrow. Take care. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.